Oh yes, this is what I saw on that day one. This pair is called V251S, and yeah, I've been trading it for the let's first see. Let's first move all drawings so that you can see clearly what I'm showing you guys. So if you come back, if you zoom out of this trade, you can see that market has now, if you zoom out the actual trend, you see that market has been making this high. Remember, this is the daily chart, so it has made this high, then made this lower low around here, then pushed up again, but hasn't yet broken this level here. So if you're looking for a level to buy from, a reason to buy, you could simply just be waiting for market to fill in most of the orders which are situated above here, right? So if you are to make a take profit, it will be around that zone. And then when I went to the, if you go to the M1, sorry, the H4, you can see that we have another beautiful pattern right here. Now this pattern, not the M1, let's use the H4. Alright, so in this pattern we have this, we call it the widening gap. You can call it a widening gap, whereby market is pushing upwards without any sign of stopping. So I don't know if you can see what I'm saying. So anyways, we're expecting price to push above that zone there. First of all, remember on the day one we had our confluence for a buy. Why? Because market is in an uptrend, a general uptrend. As per now, market is in an uptrend, so we're expecting market to at least push upwards towards this area here. That's why we took our entries for buy. Another reason, when we went to the H4, we saw that we already had a pattern here which validates our first assumption that this is a buy. Of course, now the market is completely random. You can't, of course, predict everything, but based on our analysis, this is a buy. So currently in a profit of $4, I'm going to put on back the internet so that you can see after some time where this market takes us. But yeah, this is how you can place your entries, signal entries. I usually use the H4 nowadays because H4 actually gives you more correct signals than these other lower time frames. If you went to the H1, you see the H1? H1 shows a potential pullback up to around this zone here. I don't know if you can see. We have a potential pullback to this zone here. Market has already broken structure. I don't know if you can see, but around here, market already broke structure, going upwards. And then we had a pullback, which we expect to not go beyond that shadow zone which I have placed here. So if our pullback goes beyond the shadow zone, you can simply just close all our profits, all our positions, sorry, not profits. So yeah, that's how we can just wait for this trade to play out. Yeah.